What is up, guys? Today I have here the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and it just got the brand new One UI 6.1 update. So today I'm going to be going through all the new animations to see how much they've improved. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is just running through, different animations. So first I'm going to be doing widgets and just apps on the home screen. And one thing that I really think Samsung did well with the new One UI 6.1 update is if you can see with the wallpaper, it kind of just gently just moves around the operating system, which makes it look really good and just more premium. So I really liked that. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts on One UI 6.1 after you watch this video down in the comments. And today of posting at least this video is Saturday the 30th of March. And if you're watching this after, your Galaxy Z Flip 5 should have One UI 6.1. If you are in the US, this is a unlocked version, but that shouldn't make a difference just as long as it's a US version. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, so let's just get back to the animations. So I did notice that after updating my Galaxy Z Flip 5 to this latest operating system, the phone did run a lot better. I think it might also be because of just, it's a new operating system, so it's more, I guess, refined. It just felt like it's running, or feels like it's running a lot better. So now, as you could see, I was just moving the app to edit the home screen, just kind of moving it around. And I'm just going to open a few apps, and yeah, as you can see, the wallpaper, and then more wallpaper moving. And now just kind of going through just widgets and just, I guess, as you would daily be navigating your phone. Then here, just clearing notifications, and you'll see, yep, the new one come out, I guess, I don't know. And then here, if you swipe from the top right side, you get this just instant access to the quick settings. And yeah, it's just super nice to have just instant access to that. Now this is the new circle to search, so I'm just going to be going through some new AI features. So as you can see, it instantly got the Duolingo widget as soon as you circle it. And then I was just kind of circling anything on the screen just to see what it would come up with. And now I'm going to be using the generative AI edit tool. So I did, as you can see, I'll show it in a little while, but I do have 5G, so it was a fast network. And this does have to go to Samsung's server, so it's not on device. So it does still take a little while to just process and stuff like that. But generally, I think it actually went pretty fast. As you can see, yep, I have full 5G service. And yeah, like I said, I think it went pretty good. Just let it do its thing. Give it a few seconds. Yep, there it is. So it did actually go faster than I thought it would. And there's the original. If you hit view original, you can see it. And then if you save as copy, you usually have the option to increase the resolution. And then it'll ask you or tell you that there's going to be a watermark. And that is just a little watermark just to show people that this photo has been kind of tweaked with AI, just so people are aware of that. Okay, and one thing that I was kind of unsure about was if the Galaxy Z Flip 5 would be getting the new always on display, and unfortunately it doesn't, which I guess makes sense because you're not going to be having your device unfolded and off. Usually you're going to fold it and put it in your pocket, but I did notice that the just animation is a lot smoother. And for editing, Face ID, I did notice works a lot better too. As you could see kind of in the reflection, I just moved my face a little bit. And then we also have widgets, which is always nice, so we can just add a bunch of widgets. And people were saying on my previous video that I was lying, that this is not stock Android. Yes, it is stock Android. You can add widgets for stock Android. It's not through a third-party app like GoodLock. I was being accused of showing it through a GoodLock app, but as you can see, it is not GoodLock. This is just default Samsung editor. I don't know, editor, stock UI, however you want to say that. And unfortunately, widgets do not extend to the cover screen does not get that feature, which I guess that kind of makes sense, but it just, I don't know, I guess that would have been kind of nice to get. Let me just open the phone. I think that just would have been kind of nice maybe to add some sort of widget, but I guess it makes sense since you already have the widgets on the home, or on the, whatever it's called, on the cover screen anyway. But as for like just animations on the cover screen, I did notice that it is better. And then we didn't have this new option to use main screen navigation on cover screens. So as you can see, I had the swipe gesture, but in theory, I think this should allow me to be able to use just like the regular buttons on the cover screen. So let's see if that is true. Okay, yeah, so we have the back, and we have home. Okay, so basically they're the same, but it is an option that you have if you want to turn that on, but I do just prefer the swipe gesture better. But yeah, so that is basically everything that is new for animations for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be having a video coming out tomorrow on the new features of One UI 6.1 on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 regarding AI and just overall features. So definitely subscribe for that. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would mean a lot to me, and I'll catch you in the next video, and I'll see you then.